The U.S. Marine Corps has awarded the Oshkosh Defense a contract for additional unmanned missile launcher vehicles. According to a press release from Oshkosh, the Marine Corps Systems Command has placed a $39.5 million order for additional remotely operated ground unit for Expeditionary Fires, Rogue Fires, carriers and associated kits. The Rogue Fires carrier is a part of the Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System, NMESIS, which consists of unmanned missile launcher vehicles and 2 ready-to-fire cruise missile inside their self-contained launch canisters. Based on the Oshkosh Defense Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, Rogue Fires is an unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, that leverages the JLTV's extreme off-road mobility, payload capacity and Oshkosh's advanced autonomous vehicle technologies to support ground-based anti-ship missile, GBASM, operations. The unmanned technology associated with Rogue Fires allows the vehicle to operate in teleoperator or leader-follower mode. Oshkosh Defense is committed to providing mission-critical capabilities and innovation to support the U.S. Marine Corps and their modernization plans, said Pat Williams, Chief Programs Officer for Oshkosh Defense. The adaptable design of Rogue Fires leverages next-generation technologies and allows for integration of scalable weapon system payloads to meet mission requirements. In August 2023, Oshkosh Defense delivered 6 initial production representative models, PRMS, in support of the Marine Corps' modernization's plans of Force Design 2030.